Take a look at this. I just came across this Eubank in the wall unit. You can see it has a tag up there. I don't think it's legible. Standing right here. But yeah, just thought I'd show that real quick. Pretty cool. Just had to stop the video for a split second so I don't get copyrighted, but shame it's not running. It's like 80 degrees right now. I would assume it was. Most units I have come across on this vacation. Oh, there it went. Did not expect that at all. I apologize for talking over the startup. I did not really expect it to turn on. Yep. It's gonna be it. Out.